Welcome back everyone, another little video for you here. I'm going to chop this hydraulic tank, chop the end off it. It's got a right big dent in it and it's got a little tidgy hole. Now I'm going to cut the end off, straighten it out and see if we can weld it back up without it leaking. So we'll give it a go anyway, see how it goes. I mean, as long as the bottom's not leaking, well, it's all got to be sealed, hasn't it, really? I'll sort it anyway, I can't see it being an issue. So I'll just show you here what I've got going on. Right, here's the tank here. Got a big massive dent there. If you look under here, right there's a hole. And that tank was full of hydraulic oil. And it ain't anymore. So let's cut the end off. And we'll weld it back up. There we go, it's the inside of the hydraulic tank. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'll trim a bit more off here. And get it to fit a bit better. Let's crack on. Right, what I've done, I've trimmed the edges of the tank, and I've put the end piece, the end plate, I've sat it inside just so I can get a good weld on it, and I'll get it tacked in and get it fully welded. Shouldn't take too long, that. Let's crack on. There we go. Got it all welded up. Don't know if it's gonna leak or anything, but it looks all right to me. I'm gonna put a bit of lead red on it now, and I'm gonna put a bit of oil in it and put some lead red on it now. Actually, let it dry, give it a smooth over with some Tiger Seal, and Tiger Seal should seal up any little pin pricks in there. And that should do that. That should do for now anyway. It's one job done. On to the next. Don't know if you can see that there. I've put some sealant on it. Whether it's going to work, only time will tell. So we'll see what we can do. See what we can do with that. I reckon it'll do that. I've used this stuff here. OB1. It's pretty good stuff. I've used it to do all sorts really, but I've not used it on anything like this. Yeah, so got that tank welded up, sealed up. Gonna put a gallon of oil in it just to make sure it's not leaking. I'll let that go off for a couple of days first before I do that. Should be alright. Should be alright. We'll soon find out anyway. I've pressed it down in all the gaps and just done what I can really. Like I say, we'll leave it a couple of days, put a gallon of oil in it, see if it starts leaking. It shouldn't do. Should be alright that. So, right, I'll see you next time. See you later.